Hey guys, so today we're going to be showing you guys our WL-0044 bracket for 2005 through 2010 Toyota Tacomas.
Alright guys, as you can see there are two nuts here that need to be removed that are attached to the frame. That'll be the bottom one and the top one. So when these both come out, you go ahead and you place your mount and you put the nuts back into place, and you'll go ahead and you'll do that for the driver and passenger side. So now once you have both mounts onto place, you want to go ahead and put your washer and then your screw. You go ahead and you want to put your 32-inch light bar. In this case, we're using our 5D Nova Series 188 watt 32-inch light bar. For wiring, we're going to go ahead and of course connect red positive, black to negative. In this case, we go ahead and we grounded it to the frame of the vehicle. Just run the wire down and through the firewall. So once you grab the cable from underneath the steering wheel under the firewall, go ahead and run it. Depending on the trim of your Toyota Tacoma, you'll have available spaces like this. Those just pop right off. Our rocker switch will go right on. You might need to do a little bit of trimming to it, but other than that, it gives it a nice factory flush look.